Alright guys, who do we have here?
Chris.
Alex. What are you doing today?
Jumping out of a plane.
Jumping out of a perfect good airplane. That must be crazy. Whose idea was it?
I guess mine.
Yeah.
Unintentional.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll blame both of you if
I
stuff
brought it
goes
up,
wrong.
he was like, let's do it. And I was like, okay.
Heck yeah, I like it. You take you up 10,000 feet, throw you out, get you down under a parachute. You ready for it?
No.
Let's better be. We're stuck together. Let's go rock Skydive. Come on. High five. High five.
Let's go do it.
Here we go, boys. You ready for it? Yeah. Better be. We're getting in, up and out of the fun. Oh yeah.
Let's do it.
Why not?
Big right turn. Big right turn. There you go. That is all you, my dude. Alright man, you just jumped out of an airplane, how you feeling?
Amazing.
Yeah?
That was way funner than I expected.
Heck yeah, dude, what was your favorite part?
Honestly, the free fall, like just the initial,
Falling out the plane?
that was
It's
wild.
unreal, huh? Heck yeah. Would you do it again?
Yes.
So we like
In
it
a
here,
heartbeat.
man. Thanks for jumping with us.
Thank you.
Woo!